How to put Snapstreak story in Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now head towards the chat section. After you open the chat section, now you have to head towards the profile of the person whose Snapstreak you want to put in your story. So I'm gonna choose this one person. After you land to the profile, just scroll down. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Just scroll to the right. You will find the option of Snapstreak. Click on it. So this is the Snapstreak with this friend. Now you can take a screenshot. After you take a screenshot, you can head back. Open your camera. Now click on this icon that will open your snaps, likewise camera roll. Head towards the camera roll section. You're gonna find the picture of the Snapstreak that you have just taken. So open it. From this page, you can edit this. You can mention the person as well. For that, you can click on this text icon. Now type in @ and you can type in the name of that person. Likewise, you are also able to use different features of Snapchat. And after you are done, click on the option of send to. Click on the option my story. Click on send to. Now you can head towards your profile page and you can see that you have just put Snapstreak story in Snapchat. So this is how you can easily put Snapstreak story in Snapchat. By applying the same process, you can put Snapstreak story with other users as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.